Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it is unboxing time. I've got one box to unbox with you guys today. I know I haven't done a lot of unboxing lately because we've actually canceled our BoxyCharm box. The reason being is we were kind of getting too much of the same type of stuff. There was always an eyeshadow palette, and now I have a lot of eyeshadow, but after a while, you just run out of space. So yeah, we canceled that, but luckily we kept our FabFitFun. This is the fall box, and we're gonna take a look and see what's inside. I do want to point out, I thought the box seemed a little small this time, but let's take a look. Let's take a look and see what's in it. Get all the flaps. Of course, we do have the magazine, which I always do flip through. One thing I've noticed with the past couple ones is there's no longer a description of everything in here. Like, if you want to see what's in your box, there's actually a QR code. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Just because I kind of like reading it through here. So it's just an adjustment, and I've got to get used to the QR code, but that's one thing I have noticed lately. So first thing I noticed was a vegetable chopper. Now, I do want to mention that we missed the time to select our options. As you guys know from previous videos, I do share this with my mom. So we missed our time to pick our options. So these are totally random. We had no idea what was going to come before it got here. So like I said, this is a vegetable chopper. Looks like it has a 15-time revolution, 20 and 25. Looks like basically it doesn't recommend like large pieces. So like it says don't put like a whole eggplant or like a large squash, which honestly, like with the size of this thing, like I know they have to do it for like liability purposes, but how would you fit a large piece of vegetable in here anyway? So you actually pull, and that's how it chops. So that is pretty cool. So this is actually definitely something pretty interesting, because there's just some vegetables like especially like I usually try to make my salads for the whole week. This is going to be a time saver. So pretty happy about that. So we'll put that back in the box, and let's see what else we got. So next thing we got is, and I know there's two of them, we got the Living Proof full shampoo and conditioner. I've used Living Proof products before and am absolutely in love with this product. So there will definitely be a fight over who gets these. I can kind of smell it already. It's got like just a nice clean, like an ocean kind of scent that I would call it. I don't think it tells you what the scent is. But like, yeah, if you guys ever get a chance to try the Living Proof stuff, it is an amazing product. So we're super happy, and also they're like full size. They're not little sample sizes. Next we have Short Stories. It's a travel blanket in red, and it's actually in a pouch, and this kind of feels like it's like softer than like a t-shirt. I don't know if it says on here. Yeah, it doesn't say on the bag what it is. Of course, when I do the QR code and scan it, it would tell me. But it's a solid blanket. I don't want to completely unfold it. It's a little thin, but it would definitely be a good travel blanket, especially having the bag, so you can just tie it and go. So that is great because I've actually been doing some traveling lately. So next, Lele Sedui. I apologize if I butcher the names. So sunglasses. What do you guys think? Is it me? So, very cute. I actually have a sunglass problem. I have quite a few pairs. So, you can never have more than one, and you can always use more. So, let's see what else we got. Lumify eye drops from Bausch & Lomb, which they are a great brand, especially in the fall because of allergies. My eyes do get dry, so this is actually a good thing to have on hand. And then next we have Pure Collagen Biophase Serum by Skin Chemists. So I guess, okay, so aims to improve the appearance of skin's texture and firmness. Trying to open it. Oh. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, at first I thought some filled out, but the dropper part is just very smooth. So that is the collagen serum. And then we've got one last thing. We've got Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, hyaluronic acid witch hazel, for all skin types. So this is a award-winning cooling gel, nourishes, smooths, and soothes with aloe hyaluronic acid while illuminating dark shadows. I actually am half Greek, and we naturally have dark circles, so I love anything that's going to help with that. So that is awesome. And I believe, yep, that's it. So we've got the glasses, the travel pillow, eye cream, eye drops, collagen, shampoo and conditioner, and the vegetable chopper. So it is definitely a decent box. I hope that I can remember to pick my options next time. But then again, also, it's kind of fun to kind of just be surprised where we don't know what we're going to get. But yeah, so that's the fall box. At this point, really don't have any other subscription boxes that we're doing besides the FabFitFun. We might add another one later. And of course, if we do another subscription box, I will totally unbox it here. So I hope you guys still enjoy at least the FabFitFun boxes that I'm doing, and of course the other videos that I do post, because I have been traveling to Disney and I go up to the mountains in Cherokee, so I've been doing some of those videos of like the hotel rooms and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, please let me know in the comments below what you guys got in your boxes, and was there anything that you really loved in yours that I didn't get, or vice versa. I'd love to know what everybody else got. As always, please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time. Hakuna Matata.